one thing we're noticing on the forecast path, the National Hurricane Center is adamant, because the last few runs keeping the system as a Category 5 hurricane moving through the Turks and Caicos, and then basically spitting a line right here, this little leeway between Cuba and the southwestern half of the Bahamas as a Category 4 hurricane, moving over some of the warmest waters of the Atlantic before it makes a beeline to possibly our shoreline. I'll never be able to go there.
See, and it's
cubes up there. Drunk as hell, but no throwing up. Halfway home, and my page is still blowing up. Today I didn't even have to use my AK. I gotta say it was a good day.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It was
shrink until we finally know exactly where that center is going to make landfall. Until then, it could be anywhere here in this area highlighted in red, from Bimini through Broward, Miami-Dade, as far southwest as Key West. 155-mile-an-hour winds here.
Tonight, I'm getting my last workout in. I'm gonna head home, hunker down, and hope for the best. I'm in a 15-story condo that's very secure, so I just hope that the windows sustain the winds and I'll be okay.
Oh, did I just pass the red light? Ooh. Are we getting back on it? Up on the beat, yep. Up on the beat, yep.